The journey begins. Raw materials, pure and precise. Silica sand, the backbone. Soda ash, limestone, dolomite, recycled glass, each a vital component. Measured with computer precision, a perfect balance for the glass to come. Inside the mixing chamber, these raw materials are blended into a fine, uniform batch. Recycled glass, known as cullet, is added to lower the melting temperature and save energy. In minutes, the dusty grains become a perfectly consistent mixture, Eldin, ready to face extreme heat. The batch travels along conveyors, drops into the furnace, temperatures rise beyond 1,500 degrees. Ingredients liquefy, a glowing, molten river. Impurities float, carefully removed. Leaving behind clear liquid glass. In the refining zone, the molten glass becomes calm and uniform. The refining process demands absolute precision. Within the furnace, raw materials are transformed. Heat and controlled pressure force air bubbles upward, ensuring a smooth, flawless mixture. This controlled turbulence allows the smaller, trapped air bubbles, the imperfections, to coalesce and rise. Sensors monitor every second, guaranteeing chemical stability before the next crucial step. The molten glass flows gently onto a bath of molten tin. The molten glass flows gently onto a bath of molten tin. The molten glass flows gently onto a bath of molten tin. A technique known as the float glass process. A technique known as the float glass process. A technique known as the float glass process.
Because glass is lighter than tin, it spreads across the surface like liquid silk.
Because glass is lighter than tin, it spreads across the surface like liquid silk. Because glass is lighter than tin, it spreads across the surface like liquid silk. Rollers guide its movement, defining thickness with extraordinary precision. Rollers guide its movement, defining thickness with extraordinary precision. Rollers guide its movement, defining thickness with extraordinary precision. The result, a perfect mirror-flat ribbon of glass. The result, a perfect mirror-flat ribbon of glass. The result, a perfect mirror-flat ribbon of glass. The heart of glass making beats with fire. But strength is forged in stillness. Here, the glass cools slowly. This process releases internal stress.
It gives the glass its strength.
Rushing this step causes fractures. Patience is essential. Every degree carefully controlled. A testament to precision. From fiery chaos, quiet strength.
From molten chaos comes order. The system analyzes the flow, preparing. As the glass ribbon reaches the end of the lehr, laser guides measure its exact dimensions.
Utilizing advanced laser scanning, the system ensures microscopic precision. The raw material is
Diamond cutters score the surface with clean, sharp lines. The conveyor belt begins its slow, steady journey forward, a river of fire moving through the cool, sterile. Robotic arms then break the sheets with perfect accuracy. From a glowing river of liquid, the glass has become solid, smooth panels.
To ensure safety and beauty.
The edges are processed next.
High-speed grinders smooth out sharp sides. Polishing wheels shine the edges until they are clean and precise. This step prepares the glass for architectural and interior use. Depending on its final purpose, the glass may undergo special treatments. Utilizing advanced automation, the specialized glass treatment process begins, ensuring unparalleled clarity and durability for every sheet. Tempering strengthens it through rapid heating and cooling. Laminating bonds layers for added protection.
Metallic coatings improve energy efficiency.
Some sheets are tinted, frosted, or printed to create functional and decorative designs. Some sheets are tinted, frosted, or printed to create functional and decorative designs. Some sheets are tinted, frosted, or printed to create functional and decorative designs. Each treatment, a deliberate choice, transforming simple glass into the perfect material for its intended world. No sheet leaves the factory without rigorous inspection.
Cameras and sensors scan for bubbles, scratches, distortions, or thickness variations.
Only flawless panels are approved for packaging. The finished sheets are lifted onto reinforced racks. With meticulous precision, the crane guides the massive glass sheet across the factory floor, protecting the vulnerable material before transport. Here in the shipping bay, the meticulous process ensures every sheet is protected, a testament to industrial scale and human focus. Protective pads are placed between every layer.
Meticulously protected, the towering sheets of glass represent a transformation from raw material to a product.
Once secured, the glass is packed into sturdy crates. Once complete, the glass is meticulously prepared for transport in these custom-built wooden crates, ensuring its safe passage. Using specialized tools, the team ensures every panel is secured for transport.
Securing the crates is the final step before transport, safeguarding the precision glass within for its journey ahead.
And loaded for delivery. From skyscrapers and storefronts to mirrors and smartphones. These flawless sheets will soon shape the world around us.
From sand to crystal clear perfection. A material born of fire and chance. Early glass, fragile, imperfect. A glimpse of potential, yet raw. Centuries of craft, of patient hands. Shaping vision from molten light.
The industrial age. Scale and power.
Yet still, imperfections lingered.
Today, a symphony of heat, precision, and engineering.
A silent material we often overlook, yet essential to how we see, live, and build.
This is the journey of glass.
Transformed by human ingenuity.